Do a quick video here of this fence stretching I'm doing with this custom made DIY clamp here, which is just two 2x4s and then 4 1/2-inch bolts. If you felt like this wasn't going to give you quite enough clamping power, you could add another bolt easily. And what I've done, you could also bend the fence around the 2x4 a little bit. That'll give you a little extra clamping power. And then I just used some extra wire I had from when I was making the fence to make these places for the hooks. And I got it attached to, I'm using my truck as an anchor with that cargo rack helping me out quite a bit. And you can see how much I'm pulling on that T-post. But I don't know, I got enough of those. And then I got 4 cargo ratchet straps. Now these aren't the smallest ones I could find. Those were only 300-pound safe working load. These are 1,000-pound safe working load. And between 4 of them, and that T-post is begging for mercy, but with 4 of them, you can get a pretty good pull. So what I do is I pull it with an anchor. Obviously I have, extra here, but I'm gonna run this, once I got it tight, which I do now, I'm going to run this fence staple down tight and then add a couple more. And then what I'll do is I'll just cut one wire about right here and then go ahead and wrap it, and then cut another wire, wrap it, and do them one at a time so that this is still holding tight as I wrap one at a time. And then when I'm done, it'll all stay tight. So yeah, the 2x4 method works. This is 150 feet. Now obviously if you're going 500 feet or need to pull a lot tighter or heavier gauge wire than this goat fence, it could start slipping through here. But with 4 bolts or a 5th one, if you need more clamping, and this bent around here, if you wanted to, you could run a screw here and wrap the wire around it if you needed even more, but I don't think I need that. But anyway, I'm just showing you this, and now I'm going to loosen these knots, cut a wire, and then wrap them one at a time as I slowly start to exchange the tension from this anchor to this H-brace corner post.